What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. So I don't know about you, but I'm in like a million different Facebook group chats, and I'm always seeing the same questions asked. Guys, I'm picking up my Tacoma tomorrow. Guys, I just picked up my Tacoma. I'm getting a Tacoma soon. What mods should I do first? So in today's video, that's what I'm going to be talking about. The 5 first mods you should actually do to your Tacoma, not like, well, the 5 first that I did to my truck. Without further ado, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription, because you already know we're trying to grow the channel, and these mods aren't cheap. Also, if there's a significant other in the room that controls the money, you might want to go to a different room, maybe not let them hear you watch this video, because you're buying them something very, very nice. Buying mods. Starting with number 1, these Tacomas are amazing in the bed area. Depending on what you got, I have the LED light package. You may also have a power outlet right here, so that's already a very capable bed, but you need to get a bed mat. A bed mat is a must. Out of all my subscribers, there's one mod that I think we can all agree on, and it's the bed mat. Look at all the junk I have back here. A bull bar, my crates for storage, don't judge me, and then a toolbox back there that I still need to return to my dad. It's been like a month now. I'll get that to him soon. But with this bed mat, I don't know any of this stuff is back there. If you don't, you will know every single thing. If there's a rock, if there's a pebble, you will know, because it's going to slide around, bang around, it's going to damage your bed. Get the bed mat. I promise you, this is number 1. Number 2 is $285.75. No, I'm just kidding. Number 2 is something that I stand by 100%. If you're anything like me, you're not very organized. Now, it sucks to admit it, but it's the truth. We have to be real with ourselves. And there's a little thing called, I don't sit on this side, so that means Sandy did that. Storage dividers. Now, a lot of people talk about these, but I can't talk about them enough. So legendary, so clutch. Little papers and stuff like that you can store without it being clutter. I hope that makes sense. What's really cool is you can also get one for here. Those are not my sunglasses, I promise. And then there's more storage in here. There's a mint I didn't know I had. I'm gonna save that for later. Put this back up and it's all good to go. Literally no one will ever know, and it just looks a lot cleaner. It doesn't look like my life, a mess. But like this, it looks like I'm organized and I'm clean and I got my life together. But I mean, moving on. Number 3 is a must, and this one I didn't really agree with until I actually did it. You need to get the windows tinted ASAP. Now, as you can see, my front is 20%, and on the back it had 15% from the factory, and I slapped 20% on the back. So during the day you can kind of see into the truck. If the person doesn't know you, they can't really even see you. They just see a male or a female. But in the back, yeah, no, nobody's looking in. And at night, it is absolutely pitch black dark. Now, go to the tint shop, make sure they have some credible work, make sure that you like what they actually do, and see if they have a car parked outside with the percentage that you actually want. Why? Because I would have gone darker here and then darker here. But they had a little diagram that showed 20%. I was like, wow, that's dark. It wasn't really that dark, and well, I mean, it's dark, you can't really see in there. I would have gone darker. Numero quattro, if you don't know, that's spaghetti. Number 4 is a bed cover. Look, listen, buddy, a lot of the problem for this Tacoma from the factory is right here. I think it was one of the guys from Top Gear talking about how so many people in America buy trucks and they never ever use that. I agree 100%. I don't use this. I carry little baskets around. That's it. You never ever use this. And if you do use it, more than likely it's something that's going to be sitting there for a long time. So protect it. Cover it up. Get a bed cover, because that way people aren't looking in. They could always cut into it and destroy it, but at least they don't know what they're going to find. Are they going to want to go through the trouble?
If you watch this far into the video, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it, but I got to remind you.
Number 5, it has to be buying the Hot Wheels version of your truck. Now, what are the odds that I got a Voodoo Blue Toyota Tacoma and they came out with the Voodoo Blue Toyota Tacoma? It's crazy. It's absurd. I recently test drove a vehicle, brand new 2021 or 2022 of Toyota, that came with LED bulbs from the factory. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. I'm so sorry for the joke. I test drove it, it had the LED package, and it was just very, very sad. Let me know in the comment section, do you have the LED package on your Toyota Tacoma? Is it what you thought LEDs would be? I have LEDs from a company that, of course, has sent them out to me, and they are amazing. I didn't know LEDs were different. I thought they were all kind of just the same. They are not. They are not all made equal. These are beastie. LEDs are a must. I got LED low beams, LED high beams, LED fog lights. Literally, the road to get to my house is full of things that should just not be on the road. Ducks, deers, dogs, Fords. It's horrible. And without LED high beams, LED low beams, and some fog lights, I really wouldn't be able to see them before it's too late. It's safety. Also, it looks cooler. Get yourself some LEDs. They will be linked down below. These are my top 5 most necessary modifications. If I was starting over, this is how I would do it. But with all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm Aing like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. Nothing. I can't even go home until you get home because I locked myself out.
Oh my God.